All right, so check this out. What I want to do is, I've never did this before. I am doing the Hamilton dress, okay? And I'm going to do the sleeveless version. All right. So I wanted to try something different. Instead of like, let me show you what I got. Instead of sewing, like I've already sewn up here with my shoulder seams, and then sew the side seams, and then try to put the sleeve band in. I wanted to try something different. I wanted to see, check it out. So let's see. We're gonna be doing this together. If I mess up, at least I messed it up. You watch me mess up, and you won't do it, and you just do it the regular way. But I want to see. I just want to see how this work out. So all right, cool. All right, so I got my sleeve here. What I want to do, I'm gonna find. Look, boom. I just did wrong size touching. Boom. You see, it's just like that. Okay. I'm gonna find my center. I need to cut that off because it's still kind of. I'm gonna find the center, and then I'm gonna match that right sides together, that center with my shoulder seam. Then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go right here. Let's see if I was just wondering. I'm like, well, what can we do if we don't want to like sew around that little hole? All right, so and then match this one up here, and then I'm just gonna probably stretch this out. Just like that. Hold on. Stretch it out. Pin. That's on one side. I'm going to stretch this other side out. I'm going to see what it look like. Well, I don't know if Miley would want to take a picture with it. But boom. All right. Stretch that out. Found that center. So, I'm going to do that with the other side. Boom, boom. Find the center. Yeah. All right, just like that. Stretch it. And then this. All right, let's go sew it. All right, let's see. We're going to start. Move my hang here. It's a 3/8 seam allowance. I hope this works because I ain't got no more of this fabric. All right, now. Something to cut this off with. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off. The pattern tells us that we need to, like, you know, do a top stitch on there. Okay, so I'm going to. It sounds like I got a little. That's why I hate cutting stuff off. All right. Sorry, that's one side. I'm going to have to do the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it right sides together and sew up the side seam. Cut that out. Use my little string thing, my needle here. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in a second. We're gonna see. There. So I'm gonna do the other side and sew it up, and then we're gonna talk about it. Right, so this is my finished look, okay? With that, putting the binding on, the sleeveless little binding on both of them, I think it looks really, really good. I steamed it. It's laying down really flat. I haven't had Miley to try it on yet. Probably not going to today. But I think it looks really, really well. I didn't top stitch. I could still do that later, but I didn't. I mean, it was gonna be white top stitch. I gotta find some gray. I don't really use gray. I'm always using white, and that's it most of the time. But so I could top stitch it. But I love it, and I'm all finished with it. Hold on, let me show y'all. All right, is it this way? That's how I turned it. Okay, so, oh Lord, I forgot I still had my little thing on my head. Oh, and I forgot my name tag. I forgot my name tag. But anywho, so I forgot I had this thing on my head. But look how cute it is. Super cute. This is the Hamilton pattern. I've already made this, got a video of this on YouTube. So go check that out. I love it. First time doing the sleeveless version. I normally don't, because I always like to put sleeves on stuff, but this time I did not. Y'all should be proud of me. I'm proud of myself. That's all that matters. And drop waist. So I think this is gonna be really, really cute. And see, when I like to do stuff, when I kill it, baby, that means I'll be making a whole bunch of them. Let me tell you why, because I got the pattern cut out. I ain't gotta cut it no more. So I hope y'all like it. I got this fabric from Joann's. You remember I showed y'all? I got it from Joann's. It's super cute. It's the pop fabric. I think they had it on sale. They may not have it on sale now, but I got it on sale. So, alrighty then. I hope you guys like it. I'm out this joint. Bye-bye.